Hello, this is the front of the house, neighbor's house over there. Got a nice little canyon back through here. Wind's blowing pretty good. There's a snowbank right here. It's a little bit above my waist. Yeah. I need to get my face mask out of the car. I haven't even been out here, and there's a path car behind the car. Well, I haven't been out here to shovel, I should say. Car's not covered at all. Got this nice little path out here, winding its way behind. And this right here, I don't know if you can see it all that well. It's about the kneecap level. Tempted to go down and try to check the mail, but I am, however, going to get my face mask. Anywho, hi. It's cold out here. I'll see y'all later. I'm going to post this on the computer here in a minute. Yeah, I'm sure you can hear the wind. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.